Welcome to AI Product Management Grow Your Career. I'm Eric Dables, your instructor and the founder of Data as a Product. This course is going to teach you the skills, frameworks, and give you the confidence that you need to excel as an AI product manager. By the end of this course, you'll have developed practical expertise, strategic thinking, and built a portfolio-ready project to propel you in your career forward. So let's explore what's inside this course. In Module 1, we'll lay the groundwork for your learning by exploring what AI product management is and how it differs from traditional product management. You'll also learn the key responsibilities and competencies required to thrive in this role, and also gain a clear understanding of the framework for creating AI products. Module 2 focuses on the product operating model. This is a blueprint for organizing cross-functional teams to deliver measurable outcomes and applying it to AI product management. You'll learn the unique roles that product managers, data scientists, and tech leads have, and how they collaborate together to deliver valuable, feasible, and viable AI solutions. In Module 3, we'll dive into the technical foundations of AI. You'll explore the key branches of AI and understand how machine learning and generative AI work. Also, we'll discover how these technologies can be applied to manage innovative AI products effectively. Module 4 introduces you to AI product strategy. You'll learn how to align AI goals with business objectives and apply principles like focus, data-driven insights, transparency, and placing bets to create strategies that drive measurable outcomes. Discovery is the core of successful AI products, and Module 5 is all about validating problems and designing solutions. You'll learn how to assess risks, especially those that are unique to AI products, embrace experimentation, and create solutions that are valuable, usable, feasible, and viable. Module 6 equips you with the tools you need to deliver reliable and scalable AI solutions. From implementing small, frequent releases to monitoring and retraining AI models, this module is going to ensure that you can adapt your products to changing business and user needs. Your career is at the core of Module 7. You'll discover how to lead AI initiatives, build expertise, and develop leadership skills. This module will guide you in creating a roadmap for your professional growth in AI product management. We'll wrap up the course in Module 8 by revisiting the key concepts and applying them in a final project. This capstone activity will allow you to demonstrate what you have learned in the course and how to use the AI product management framework by designing a solution for a real-world scenario. This course is more than just a learning experience. It's an opportunity for you to transform your career and contribute to the future of AI. Whether you're new to product management or an experienced professional, you're going to leave this course equipped with the tools and confidence to lead in this field. So take the first step today and join us on this journey. We can't wait to see the incredible AI products that you're going to create.